Look at the front where it says Ames real big.
Alright everybody, today I'm out here in Leetsdale at the industrial park again. I really like to come out here and rail fan a lot. This is a great place, as I love Beaver County. I love the scenery in front of me here. It's just nice and quiet, and at the end of a work day like this, everybody's gone, and they don't mind that I sit out here and do this. A lot of other rail fans come out here and rail fan as well, but right now I'm by myself. I don't know what would be on its way. I just got here. I just turned the scanner on. But we do have a train on its way. And the funny thing is, we just had a tanker train go by on the far track, which had a yellow over red signal when it approached. Now, literally less than 1 minute, and I'm not exaggerating, 1 minute, 60 seconds, once it passed, the signal changed again. It was a yellow over red when that tanker train went by. Now this one has a red over flashing green signal. So we do have one on its way. I just don't know what it's going to be. Hopefully a good one, but I'll have that here on video to share with you guys. It gives me a great chance to just come out here, relax, just take some time to myself while Kayla's at work, and while I have this downtime to just hang out and do something I love. I love the rail fan. It brings me a lot of happiness and a lot of joy, and I love putting these videos together for you. I just hope you enjoy them, and if you don't, no hard feelings. I understand. It's not for everyone, but I like doing them. And when I have free time like this, I'm going to come out here and hang out, because like I said, this is such a great place to just sit here. It's scenic too. And when you're in these big empty parking lots like this, people leave you alone, and it's really nice. So it's nice to just decompress for a little bit after a long work day, a long work week since it's a Friday evening, and just sit here and wait for a train or two or 10 to come by. Anyway, I'll catch you when the train comes by. All right, here's that train. It's an intermodal. That didn't take any time at all. It's only been about 5 minutes. I thought it would be much longer. A lot of mail. Who do you think's packages are on there? Those are brand new. Whoop. Well, that was cool. See what else we can catch while we're out here. We got the bee friend running up again. If you hadn't seen the last couple of videos, we got the clutch replaced in it, and she is running really, really good now. The clutch is super sensitive, but I like that. The old clutch wasn't. I mean, it was worn. It was beat. It was probably the original clutch in this thing. But she's riding good now. I mean, look how good that thing looks. I got to fix the rocker. I know that, but it's a good car. Nate, if you're watching this, thank you for such an amazing car. Love the bee friend. All right, we have a train coming by. Empties east, empties west. Man, that thing was moving. All right, so fast forward a couple of hours. Not a couple, a few. It's now about 10 o'clock on a Friday night. 21M is on its way through Leetsdale in the next few minutes. And on it is the Norfolk Southern Heritage Unit. It's a beautifully painted red locomotive with a black stripe that says Norfolk Southern on it. The weather is really crappy right now, I know, so the footage might not be the greatest when it comes here, but I don't really care. In the recent time of catching heritage units like I've been doing, this is just another check mark for me, and I'm pretty happy to see it. So I don't care if it's raining. I don't really mind at all. I'll be outside getting this train once it comes here, and being able to say that I saw it and put it on video for you guys. So I just hope that the footage will be okay. And it won't be the only time I ever see this train, so I'll definitely catch it again if I can. But it's my first time being able to catch it and put it on video for you guys. So let's go outside where it's pouring out there and catch the NS Heritage Unit. All right, it's raining, but that is okay. We have the Norfolk Southern Heritage Unit coming through. All right, now that we got that accomplished, I can finally say I got the NS Heritage Unit. I put it on the Heritage Units app. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. With the naked eye, I could see it perfectly. On camera, I know it's a little bit harder to do. But like I said, we'll definitely catch it again sometime in better weather and hopefully during the daylight hours. But given the fact that I knew it was going to be here after coming out here and rail fanning for a little bit, I wasn't going to leave until I caught it. And we had a couple of trains come through here, but they were intermodal, so I only filmed the one prior to this one coming through, and that was mainly my biggest thing. Once I realized it was going to be here this evening, that's what I wanted to get. So I'm happy that I did, and I'm happy that I got to put it on video for you guys. So I know it's a little bit of a shorter video, and I'm sorry about that, but we'll get you on the next one, whatever we're doing, whether it's an abandoned place, a rail fan video, retail-related, Dollar Tree, Kmart, whatever, it doesn't matter. We will bring you content that I hope you enjoy. On that note, though, I am going to head home. I am quite soaking wet now from being out there in the rain, but I don't really care. I was happy to do that for you guys. So whether it's raining, snowing, a tornado, hurricane, volcano, whatever, I will try to do videos for you guys if I can, and for myself too. So anyway, I'm heading home. It's getting late. It's after 10 o'clock now. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed, make sure you give the video a like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel so you can be alerted for more content. And on that note, take care, stay awesome, and since Kayla's at home now, have a Norfolk Southern delicious day. And we'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.
Down by the railroad track, had an old wood stove in a one-room shack. Shoestring was the only name.